Here in substitution, we are talking about some fractional substitution. For an example, when you have 4x, 4x is our expression. Yeah, instead of x, we are going to substitute it by using 1 upon 4. X should be substituted by 1 upon 4. So for that, what to do? 4 times x. For an sign multiplication relationship, x would be 1 upon 4. Then simplify. 4 and 4 can be simplified. 1 time, 1 time. So final answer would be 1. It would be 1. For next example, let's take 2xy. 2xy. Here x is 1 upon 6 and y is negative 3. Y is negative 3. Okay. 2xy, this is the one we need to substitute. So first of all, 2x should be substituted by this 6. 1 upon 6. Then y should be substituted by this negative 3. Negative 3. Okay. So here, when you have like this, if it's difficult for you to substitute directly, first of all, let's multiply the numerators. Okay, let's multiply the numerators. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times negative 3, it would be negative 6. In numerator, we have negative 6. In denominator, we have 6. Another 6. Here, we can simplify both of them. 1 time and 1 time. So, 1 divided by 1, 1. Here there is an addition of negative direction. So, you should keep this negative direction with you. Mostly, students will do other calculations. Finalize their answer as 1. But here there is a negative, no? So, you should keep this one as your direction for your final answer. I'll repeat again 2 times. 2 in the answer. X is a fraction. 1 divided by 6 multiplied with y is negative 3. After substitution, I multiplied the numerators and denominator. It would be negative 6 divided by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. No? Then there is a negative direction. So this is the substitution you should study in your grade 9. 3y. So 3 times y. 3 times y, which is negative 1 upon 3. So these 3 and 3 can be simplified 1 time, 1 time. The final answer would be 1 times negative 1, it would be negative 1. It's just negative 1. 1 divided by 1 also 1. Okay, then after negative 4y, negative 4 times y, negative 1 upon 3. We cannot simplify anything because 4 is not a 3 multiple. Then let's multiply. Negative 4 times negative 1. Negative into negative positive 4 upon 3. 4 over 3. Negative 4 over 3. Similarly for 9 also. Negative 9 times negative 1 upon 3. But here we can simplify 9 and 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 3s are 3. Thereafter in numerator negative 3 times negative 1. Negative into negative positive. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. For the first one negative 1. Second one 4 over 3. Third one it would be 3. Now let's take a look into our second set of questions. A is equals to negative 2, B is half. So A is negative 2 plus B is half. 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Let's simplify. This 2 and 2 can be simplified 1 time, 1 time. This negative 2 remains same. Okay, don't do anything with that. So negative 2, 1 time 1, it would be positive 1. Negative 2 and positive 1. Both together will become negative 1. Negative 1. For the second question, for the second part, 3a plus b. So 3a means 3 times negative 2 plus b, that's half. 3 times negative 2, it's negative 6 plus half. Negative 6 plus half. So when we need to add a number with a fraction, we cannot do that directly because since it don't have any denominators, you should bring, okay, you should make this one as a two denominated fraction. Really try to understand this. This does not have any denominators. No. Without same denominators, we cannot add the fraction. So let's make 2 as a denominator here. Okay, 2 as a denominator here. So for that, you should multiply the numerator also by using number 2. By using number 2, let's simplify hereafter. 6 don't have any denominator. No, don't have any denominator. So we can conclude it as it has 1 as a denominator. 1 as a denominator. So it's this fraction's denominator 1, this one's denominator is 2. You should change both of them to the common denominator. For that, I am going to multiply this fraction by 2. This fraction should be multiplied by 2. So that will give you negative 12 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Negative 12 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Here you can see the denominators became same. So in your final answer, 2 is the denominator. So we can do the operation between numerators. Negative 12 plus 1. Negative 12 and plus 1. Negative 12 plus 1, that will become negative 11 divided by 2. Negative 11 divided by 2. So you can keep your answer like this. So furthermore, if you want to convert it as a mixed fraction, it would be negative 5 into half. Okay, I'll repeat it again because sometimes it looks difficult for you because this is a fraction, this is a normal number. So we cannot add fraction with a number. No, fraction should be added with another fraction. That's why this one does not hold any denominators. So we can conclude as a 1. Any numbers without holding denominators, we can conclude as 1 like that.
Excuse
So
me, miss.
yeah, for the last one, 4b minus a. 4 times b minus a. 4b means 4 times its half. Minus a is again a negative 2. Okay, minus 2. That's why you should keep a bracket while writing the negative values. Here you can see, here there's a multiplication. Here there is a multiplication between these 4 and half. Here you can simplify these two. 2 and 4 can be simplified. 1 times 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. Negative into negative is positive 2. Here just a simplification. 4 and half can be simplified to get a 2 plus negative into negative positive 2. 2 plus 2 is finally 4. 4 is the answer for the third part question.